Hello everybody, welcome to my final unboxing extravaganza video series for this chunk of time on my collections. So if you guys don't know me, I'm Opal Unicorn. I'm a pop surrealist painter and author of many characters, a professional toy designer by trade, plushie designer, and mystic, medium, and psychic, and writer of many books. So I have created my own tarot deck, and I would like to use this tarot deck to find my latest and my most beautiful unboxing boxes that I have for you today. So, oh my God, you guys, I love these little Molly. I don't know if that's what, I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. Pocket baby Molly friends. These are just so adorable. Again, you guys, I'm an old school collector of plushies, and I'm just dying at the selection of plushies that are out there on the market these days at Pop Mart and other places. This is a Pop Mart, a really cute Pop Mart doll. And so let's ask my Opal Unicorn cards for help on how each of these beauties are going to help me on my spiritual journey, you guys, with my Opal Unicorn Tarot deck from opalunicorn.com. So before we begin, let's clear the air. Clear the energy for this unboxing. As I shuffle the deck, shuffle the deck. I get Two of Cups. All right. Well, this 1, 2, 3, 4. This Molly is gonna bring me love, you guys. All right, you heard it. You heard it. It's gonna bring me love. All right, let's unbox this cutie. Oh my goodness. Is this the pink one? It is. It's the pink one. Is it? Oh my God, isn't that cute? It would be bringing me love. It's pink, right? Wow, these cards are getting good. These Opal Unicorn cards are getting spot on. And she comes with a cute little, this little pouch. Guys, they're tiny, but they are so precious and absolutely adorable. She looks like she's like a baby. She almost looks like a little chickie. Is that what she is? Oh no, because she's got that great tail. She's absolutely fantastic. We don't know what exactly she is, but I'm here for it. I'm here for all of this. Look, she comes with a little, this is just so cute. Pop Mart. Oh my God, so cute. And then a little taggy with a little keychain pendulum. So she's gonna bring me love. Pink. Her name is Who's the Good Girl? Absolutely adorbs. Okay, she's the good girl. So I guess, or maybe are these baby Mollies telling me I have to be a good girl? All right. So next is, let's see. And we get 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Oh, I forgot to tell you now. That's the 4 of Swords. And so this baby Molly is going to give me good ideas. So this is my idea baby Molly. These are going to be my good luck talismans. I'm not looking. Throw it over there. I'm going to throw it all away. Or recycle. Who did I get? Purple. Isn't that great? So this is going to be my intellectual baby Molly. Okay, she is awesome. She comes with a cute her little keychain and stuff. I just love these little cards. This is just really above and beyond, really, really cute. These baby Mollies are so cute. Okay. All right. Which one did I get? Okay. Oh. Wait, that doesn't work. Put the 2 away. Here we go. Need this back. Which one? Number 3, successful business. All right, this is gonna be my business baby Molly. I got, it's snack time. Oh my God, so cute. It's the little caramel one. So she's my business partner, you guys. Business baby Molly. It's snack time, so I need to keep snacking away that's gonna keep me successful in business, and that's what this is telling me. So it must be accurate, you guys. This must be accurate. So this baby Molly's gonna bring me good business by snacking. So I gotta, because she's snack time baby Molly. So gotta see how, how this all works. There's a magic to the process here. Okay, so I have 2 more baby Molly's boxes left to open. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Pick this card. 1, Ace of Swords. New idea, my idea, another idea. Plushie. Okay. Oh, another pink one. You can't go wrong with another pink one. What's her name? Her name is, who's the good girl? All this means is I need to be a good girl. That's what this means. Extra, like extra good all the time. Okay, I guess. All right, last but not least, another 2 of Cups. Let's see. Who do I get? Another purple. Oh, leave me alone. Oh, how cute. How come I didn't see that her name was Leave Me Alone before? Double Leave Me Alones. So true. I guess I needed extra Leave Me Alones and extra good girls. So I need to be a good girl, but I also need people to leave me alone. It makes perfect sense. Once again, the unboxings of plushies have solved all my problems in life, and thanks to my Opal Unicorn Tarot decks, I'm figuring them out. So please check out my website, opalunicorn.com, and check me out for more unboxing videos and a whole bunch of other mystical and fun and creepy cute artwork extravaganzas always. And keep cool out there and have a happy Friday. Hope to see you again soon. This is Opal Unicorn. Thank you for watching.